Hello, History Class 701. Dr. Schultz has articulated that American education was founded upon biblical Christianity. For example, Harvard, founded in 1636, had its mission statement in 1642 which stated, "Everyone shall consider as the main end of his life and studies to know God and Jesus Christ, which is eternal life." However, things changed just before the 20th century. Christian values, which had been expected, and very much the status quo, changed. Many colleges switched to focus on liberalism, secularism, statesism, and humanism. Adam Latz suggests that education in the 19th century became increasingly standardized by the middle of the 20th century. Moreover, as historian Molly Worthen points out, in the middle of the 20th century, evangelicals were no different from many other Americans, succumbing to a national mania for advanced degrees. However, higher education began to believe everyone in academia should have a seat at the table. However, Christian scholarship began to be left out. George Marsden and the outrageous idea of Christian scholarship through 6 carefully constructed chapters and a concise appendix explores the history of how the secularization of scholarships came into fruition and critiques the exclusion of Christian-based scholarship. Marsden suggests that scientific-focused based academia wanted to focus on work free from all prejudice, and that scholars of various fields could work together, freely excluded based on the naturalistic assumptions they all mutually shared. Marsden, however, rightfully states that this type of scholarship favors scholarship based on natural presuppositions. This empirical-based scholarship is not shared consistently across non-demonstratable beliefs. Christianity is very much excluded, except Christian scholarship is very much excluded, except in private or at one's home. Moreover, post-modernism is being perpetuated through higher education. There has been a focus on accepting all interpretations of perceived truths, while acknowledging that there can be no known truths. Methodologies such as Marxism, race, and gender interpretations, for example, are today valued forms of scholarship. However, Christian faith scholarship has been very much left out and barred from the conversation. Variation or diversity in scholarship is sufficient so as Christian-based scholarship is left out. Marsden argues that if diversity of belief or all methodological interpretations is welcome in academia, Christian scholarship deserves a place at the academic table. Marsden, for example, suggests Christian scholarship is a valued form of scholarship that offers viewpoints separate from the arbitrary dogma that scholars must view humans as no more than products of purely natural forces. Christian scholarship provides a foundational approach where morality can and should be absolute. In an epistemological sense, research from the point of external authority should have as much as a place in research as the interpretation that morality is derived from the mind, body, or society. Marsden, in the end, argues that previous passive, low-profile Christian scholarship is not making much of an impact, and that Christian scholars must start by forming communities, especially at the local levels, and create a robust institutional base. Lastly, there must be research institutions that, while encouraging first-rate scholarships in particular areas, would also very much explore the relationship of faith to learning. Faith-based scholarship and Christian-based scholarship can positively impact research and offer another avenue or glimpse into which explore knowledge, history, morality, literature, and science. Thank you very much. Have a good day.